Hello, welcome back to Miss Piecraft. If you're new to knitting like me and the only stitch you know is this, the knit stitch, or if you want to try knitting but don't know where to start, this is for you. Here's a super easy but cute project you can try. So let's get started. Use knitting needles in a size similar to your wooden sticks. I'm using 3mm needles here. If you don't have needles in a similar size, you can also use the wooden sticks as your needles. I'm using the long tail cast on. First, leave a long tail. Then cast on 10 stitches in total. At the beginning, we cast on 2 stitches at once. Then continue casting on 1 stitch at a time. Keep going until you reach 10 stitches. That means you'll have 10 loops on the needle. Now comes my favorite part of knitting. Just knit stitches on both sides. Keep knitting until you reach the length you like. I made 8 rows in my case. Carefully slide the needle out of the loops, then insert 2 small wooden sticks into the loops. 5 on each side. Hide and trim the yarn tail. It's looking pretty good so far. Now let's add a few details. Trim the wooden sticks. Just be careful, they might fly off. Glue a small ball onto each end and attach a brooch pin at the back side. And that's it, you're done. I made a few more to share with my friends. Let me know in the comments if you make one. See you in the next one.